Hello students, welcome back to your maths class, and once again I am here with a very new and important topic from your maths levels. So students, in our previous classes we started our chapter number 6, vectors and multiples, and discussed many concepts from the chapter. So in order to proceeding our chapter, our today's topic will be the prime factorization of numbers. Okay, after the discussion of today's topic, all of you will be perfectly able to find the prime factor of any number. Okay students, so let us start our today's topic. So students, in our previous classes we discussed many terms from the chapter such as factors, multiples, odd number, even number, prime number, composite number, and so on. So in order to proceed our chapter, our today's topic will be the prime factorization of number. So before starting our today's concept, firstly we will revise some terms from our previous classes, and the terms are odd numbers. All numbers which are not multiple of 2 are called odd numbers. वो numbers जो 2 की टेबल में नहीं आते हैं. It means the numbers which is not divisible by 2 are called odd number. वो number जो 2 से divisible नहीं होते वो odd number कहलाते हैं. Even numbers, all numbers which are multiple of 2 are called even numbers. वो सारे numbers जो 2 की टेबल में आते हैं या 2 से divisible हैं वो even number कहलाते हैं. Okay? Prime numbers, a number greater than 1 which has only 2 factors is called prime number. वो number जो 1 से greater है but it has only 2 factor, 1 and the number itself. जो number सिर्फ खुद से या 1 से कटे divide हो वो prime number कहलाते हैं. Okay? And composite numbers, a number greater than 1 which has more than 2 factors are called composite number. वो नंबर जो 1 और खुद के अलावा भी कई नंबर से डिवाइड हो, इट इज कॉल्ड कंपोजिट नंबर. ओके, नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस आवर टुडेज टॉपिक व्हिच इज प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ नंबर. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन अराइजेस हियर इन आवर माइंड दैट व्हाट इज प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ नंबर्स. सो व्हेन अ नंबर इज एक्सप्रेस्ड एज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इट्स प्राइम फैक्टर्स वी कॉल इट प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. When a number is expressed, जब भी हम किसी नंबर को उसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स के प्रोडक्ट के रूप में दर्शाते हैं तो वो क्या कहलाता है? प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ द नंबर. वो किसी नंबर का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन कहलाता है. स्टूडेंट्स, हियर वी कंसीडर नंबर 30 and the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30 because 30 is exactly divisible by these numbers. So these are the factors of 30. But out of these factors, only 2, 3 and 5 are the prime factors. Okay? Because 1 is neither prime nor composite. 6 is a composite number. 10 is a composite number. 15 is a composite number. And 30 is also a composite number. So here we have 2, 3 and 5 are the factors which is only prime factors. Okay? So the prime factors of 30 are 2, 3 and 5. So as we earlier discussed, when a number is expressed as the product of its prime factors, we call it prime factorization. जैसे हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया है कि जब हम किसी नंबर को उसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स के प्रोडक्ट के रूप में दिखाते हैं तो वो क्या कहलाता है? प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन कहलाता है. ओके? और यहाँ 30 का प्राइम फैक्टर्स क्या है? 2, 3 and 5. और हम चेक कैसे कर सकते हैं? 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Okay? As we earlier discussed, when a number is expressed as the product of its prime factors, we call it prime factorization. And here we have mainly two methods to get the prime factorization of any number. So first one is factor tree method and second one is sort division method. Okay? So let us discuss the methods in more detail with the help of some examples and questions. As you know students, we have mainly two methods to get the prime factorization of any number. First one is factor tree method and second one is short division method. So here firstly we will discuss the factor tree method to find the prime factorization of any number. And here we have an example. We have to find the prime factorization of 54 by the factor tree method. तो किसी भी नंबर का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? उस नंबर को प्राइम नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं. तो हमने यहाँ कुछ आगे के प्राइम नंबर्स लिख लिए हैं 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. Okay? So we have to divide the 54 by the prime numbers. Okay, now let us start the method. So to find the prime factorization of 54, firstly we will write 54 like this. Okay, now divide the 54 by the prime number. तो हम सबसे पहले स्टार्टिंग के प्राइम नंबर से स्टार्ट करते हैं और हमारा सबसे पहला प्राइम नंबर क्या है 2, बिकॉज 1 इज नाइदर प्राइम नॉर कंपोजिट. तो आगे हमारा प्राइम नंबर सबसे पहला क्या है 2. ओके, सो वी विल डिवाइड 54 बाई 2. लेकिन हम किसी नंबर को तभी डिवाइड कर सकते हैं जब वो उससे डिविजिबल होगा. सो 54 हमें ये चेक करना है कि 54 डिविजिबल है 2 से या नहीं है. सो 54 इज एन इवन नंबर. So all even numbers are divisible by 2. It means 54 is also divisible by 2. तो 54 को हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. So if we divide 54 by 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 7s are 14. So what the question we get? 27. It means 54 is divisible by divided by 2. So what the question we get is 27. तो हमें डिवाइजर को और क्वोशिएंट को इस तरह से अगेन लिख देना है. नाउ हु इज अ प्राइम नंबर, और प्राइम नंबर हम आगे और डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. सो हम इसको लीव करके 27 को अगेन डिवाइड करेंगे. जो भी हमारे नंबर्स आते जाएंगे हम उनको अगेन डिवाइड करते जाएंगे प्राइम नंबर से. हम तभी डिवीजन अपना बंद करेंगे जब हमारा लास्ट में प्राइम नंबर्स हमें मिलेंगे. ओके, नाउ डिवाइड 27. सो 27 is an odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. So हम next prime number लेंगे which is 3. So divide 27 by 3. If 27 is divided by 3, what the question we get? 3 9s are 27. Okay, so we will write 9 here. Okay, now 3 is a prime number, तो आगे हम 3 को डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. Now divide 9 because 9 is a composite number, और जब तक हमें composite numbers as a quotient मिलते जाएंगे हम उसको डिवाइड करते जाएंगे. So we will divide 9 by 3, क्योंकि जब तक कोई quotient किसी प्राइम नंबर से डिवाइड होता रहेगा तब तक हम उसको करते रहेंगे. Now divide 9 by 3. So if 9 is divided by 3, we will get 3 as the quotient. अब आगे हम और डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज 3 और 3 ये दोनों प्राइम नंबर हैं और हम प्राइम नंबर को आगे डिवाइड नहीं करेंगे. ओके, सो व्हाट द प्राइम फैक्टर्स वी गेट आफ्टर डिवाइडिंग 54 इज 2, 3, 3 and 3. So the factors of 54 are 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. और इसको हम चेक भी कर सकते हैं कैसे. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 3s are 54. Let us solve the question from the exercise to understand the concept more effectively. Okay, here we have a question: find prime factorization by factor tree method. And we have a number 48 and we have to find the prime factorization of this number by factor tree method. तो जैसा कि हम पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, किसी भी नंबर का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन वो भी फैक्टर ट्री मेथड से करने के लिए हम सबसे पहले नंबर को इस तरह से लिखेंगे. ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू डिवाइड द नंबर बाय द प्राइम नंबर, और हम स्टार्टिंग के प्राइम नंबर से डिवाइड करना स्टार्ट करते हैं अगर वो उससे डिविजिबल होता है. सो वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 2 बिकॉज 48 इज एन इवन नंबर and it is also divisible by 2. So we will start the division by 2. Now divide 48 by 2. So 48 divided by 2 is 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. So what the quotient we get? 24. So we will write 2 right here and 24 the quotient right here. Okay. Now 2 is a prime number, so हम इसको और आगे डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. Now divide 24. Okay. So 24 is also divisible by 2. So again हम 2 से डिवाइड किसी भी नंबर को कर सकते हैं. Okay. So if 24 is divisible by 2, what the quotient we get is 12 because 12 2s are 24. Now again 2 is the prime number, so we will proceed 12 again. So So again 12 किससे डिवाइड होगा? 2 से. So 2, 6 are 12. Now again divide 6 by 2 because 6 is divisible by 2. So we will divide 6 by 2. So 2 3s are 6. After dividing 6, what the question we get is 3. So what the prime factors we get after dividing? The 48 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Thus the prime factors of 48 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. और हम इसको कैसे चेक कर सकते हैं? इन सारे नंबर्स को आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करने पर अगर ये नंबर हमें मिल रहा है, इट मीन्स आवर फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड इज करेक्ट. स्टूडेंट्स, the next method to get the prime factorization of any number is short division method. In this method, we divide the given number by prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on, as long as the quotient is divisible by that number. हम numbers को तब तक divide करते जाएंगे जब तक उनके quotient divide होते जाएंगे. Okay? We continue the division till the quotient is 1 और हम division को तब तक continue रखेंगे जब तक हमें quotient 1 नहीं मिल जाता. Okay, so let us start. Here we have an example, prime factorization of 84 by short division method. Means we have to find the prime factorization of 84 by the short division method. Okay, so let us find the prime factorization of 84 by short division method. So first we will draw a format like this and we will write the number right here. Okay, now divide 84 by the prime numbers. So firstly we will take 2. Okay, because 84 is an even number and divisible by 2. So we will divide 84 by 2. So 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. So what is the quotient we get? 42. Okay, if we divide 84 by 2, what is the quotient we get? 42. So we will write 42 just below the 84. Now we have to divide 42 by the prime number. So 42 is also divisible by 2. So we will divide 42 again by 2. Okay. So if 42 is divided by 2, what the quotient we get? 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Okay, so the quotient is 21. So we will write 21 here just below the number. Okay, now we will again divide 21 by 3 because 21 is an odd number which is not divisible by 2. So we will take 3 as the next prime number. Okay, so if 21 is divided by 3, what the quotient we get? 3 7s are 21. Now we have to divide 7 by which prime number? 7, because 2, 3 and 5 are the numbers by which 7 is not exactly divisible. So we will take 7. So 7 1s are 7. Now here we have 1 और हम numbers को तभी तक divide कर सकते हैं जब तक वो 1 ना आ जाए. So what is the prime factors? We get 2, 2, 3 and 7. Thus the prime factorization of 84 is 2, 2, 3 and 7. The prime factors of 84 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 or 12 7s are 84. Okay. Let us solve another question from the exercise to understand the concept more effectively. And the question is find the prime factorization using division method. Here we have a number 45 and we have to find the prime factorization of this number by division method. Okay. So firstly we will draw a format like this to divide the number. Okay. So we will write 45 just here and divide 45 by the prime number. So which prime number we take to divide 45 is 3, because 45 is not divisible by 2. So we will take 3 because 45 is the multiple of 3. So we will write 3 just here and divide 45 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 fives are 15. Okay. So what the question we get? 15. So we will write 15 just below the number. Okay. Now we will again divide 15 by 3 because 15 is also divisible by 3. For the question we get 5 because 3 fives are 15. Now again divide 5. So what number we take is 5 because 5 is not divisible by 2 and 3. So we take 5. हमें वही नंबर लेना है जिससे वो डिवाइड होगा. So 5 ones are 5. Okay. Now what are the prime factors we get after dividing 45 is 3 into 3 into 5. Thus the prime factors of 45 are 3 into 3 into 5. Okay students, I hope you all understand the concept very well. Students, examples are very important to understand any concept in a perfect way. So don't miss your examples, and the maths is all about practice. So you have to practice more and more questions and examples from the exercise. And the remaining topic of the chapter will be discussed by me in your next class. Okay, thank you.